Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to my channel, Design Dynamo. Today, we are diving into the amazing world of Adobe Illustrator and exploring one of its coolest tools, the Blend tool. So grab your stylus or mouse. Let's get blending. Now guys, let's get started and we will create a fluid-like abstract background in Adobe Illustrator by using Blend tool. So let's check it out. First, we're just going to open a brand new document. And after this, we just go to toolbar and grab a line segment tool here. We're just going to draw a straight line. And there it is. After this, we just go to Effect. And here we'll select Distort, Transform, and select Zigzag. And we're just going to make some settings like size 3. And we're just going to change the points to smooth, and you can increase the size, and let's create this zigzag and hit OK. And after this, we're just going to add some gradient. So I'm just going to click this stroke and here add gradient color. Just click it and add gradient. And here it is. I'm going to change the color. Alright guys, it is so much easy to add some colors. Alright guys, after this we just select this line and just make a copy and rotate. So go to Effect and again we're just going to select Distort and Transform and select the Transform tool, and we're just going to change the rotation to 30. And make a copies of this like 50. And hit OK. Alright guys, this is all done, and we're just going to just move it here outside the canvas, and we're just going to reduce the size. Press Shift key, and here it is. And one thing more, we just go to stroke and we're just going to select the cap to round cap. And there it is. Just going to decrease the size. And there it is. And let's zoom out this canvas. And after this, we just make a copy and hold Option key on Mac and Alt key on Windows and make a copy. And we're just going to increase the size of this design, and there it is guys. You'll see it loses the zigzag. So we're just going to Windows and select Appearance, and here we're just going to select the zigzag effect and going to increase this effect like this, and hit OK. And we're just going to increase the stroke size as well. All done. And make it like this. I'm going to zoom out this canvas and look at this guys. Now guys, let's blend these two objects. So go to Tool panel, and here you'll see the Blend tool, and double click here, and there you will see the blend options. So select specified distance and set the value 2, and there it is. You will see when you go to the object number 1 here, you'll see this asterisk sign, and just point and click and go to our next object, and there you will see the plus sign and click here. And there it is. This very nice blending design is. After this, we're just going to create a path. We're just going to grab a pen tool, or just going to create a path. Just zoom out this. And select both and go to Object blend and select replace spine. And look at this, guys, how awesome design is created here. And we're just going to create some nice background. Just arrange this send to back, this background. And we're just going to grab this to make a clipping mask. Select this and right click and make a clipping mask. And there it is, guys. It's so much easy to create this kind of abstract background by using blend tool. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.